Brotherhood. The term brotherhood refers to the bond or relationship between brothers, or more broadly, the sense of unity and camaraderie among people. It signifies a strong connection, loyalty, and support among individuals, often based on shared experiences, values, or goals. In a literal sense, brotherhood refers to the bond between siblings who are brothers. For example, 1. My brother and I have a strong brotherhood. We always support and look out for each other. 2. Growing up, my brother and I shared a room and many childhood memories. Our brotherhood is unbreakable. However, brotherhood can also be used metaphorically to describe the bond between individuals who are not biologically related but share a close and supportive relationship. For instance, 1. In the military, soldiers often develop a strong sense of brotherhood. They rely on each other and trust their comrades with their lives. 2. Fraternities and sororities in college promote brotherhood, sisterhood among their members, fostering a sense of belonging and support. Furthermore, brotherhood can extend beyond gender-specific relationships and include the bond between individuals regardless of gender. In this broader sense, brotherhood represents unity and solidarity among all people. For example, 1. The community came together to help those affected by the natural disaster, showing the true meaning of brotherhood. 2. In our multicultural society, it is important to embrace the values of brotherhood and promote understanding and acceptance among different ethnicities and backgrounds. Overall, brotherhood symbolizes a deep connection and support between individuals, whether they are biological brothers, close friends, teammates, or members of a community. It emphasizes the importance of unity, trust, and solidarity in creating a harmonious and supportive environment.